have you guys maintain a chewed-on position. I want you guys, so we're gonna paint a picture, right? Where anytime we're outside and it's night and you're working swordsmanship, we're doing night raid tactics, right? They're asleep, you infiltrate without being seen or heard, and you make them feel hell, right? Most of the time you would be peppering them with fire arrows and, you know what I mean, and all that kind of stuff, and creating a lot of chaos and a lot of fear and all that kind of thing. This is going to be a different situation. In this drill, I want you guys to think, okay, your sword is out, you've now infiltrated, you're in a spot that you shouldn't be and doing what you shouldn't be doing according to their side of the coin, right? So, but what we're going to do is I'm going to have you guys walk from this side about halfway down forward, each individual walk, and then that same walk going backwards. So like if I'm going to be doing Shinobi Ashi, the very first step, I'm going to be in chewed-on, right? And what I'm going to be doing, again, your foot only needs to go higher than the actual grass or the foliage that you're in, and it's toe to heel. Remember, inhaled leg comes up, exhale, foot comes down. Toe to heel, transfer the weight properly. So when we're here, you're going to inhale, and then I want you guys to work on that stealth walk moving forward and in this chewed-on posture, right? So this is going to be Shinobi Ashi moving forward. But then once you get halfway through, we're doing the same stealth step, the same oroki, but now you're going to go backwards. So watch how we do this. I inhale as the leg comes up, and I put the toe down, and as I transfer the weight to the heel, I lift the heel here. It's the same thing. Toe, heel. Toe, heel. Toe, heel. See how I did that? So when you're walking, let me pull up here a little bit. When you're walking in Shinobi Ashi, remember it's as you put the toe down, as you transfer the weight to the front foot and the heel comes down, the heel comes up on the back foot, right? I put the toe down heel, as I put the heel down, the heel comes up on the back foot. And that's how you kind of see this particular walk. When we go backwards, I put the toe down, and as I put the heel, the front heel comes up. Toe down, front heel up. So this is the drill that we're going to work with this step. You're going to stay in chewed-on. We're going to cut the lights out. You guys are going to have to feel your way around. And as you do this chewed-on, you're going to be walking forward, silent step, Shinobi Ashi moving forward. And once you get to the point over there where I'm going to be at, you're going to maintain the same position and then move back. Again, transferring the weight of the heels, moving back.